Welcome to Smartphone Made Easy. In this video, I will show you how to find your current location using Google Maps. This is useful if you are lost, meeting someone, or need directions. Let's get started. Where is this? Where am I? Do you know how to find your current location using Google Maps? If you are using iPhone, turn on the location service first. Open the Settings app. Swipe down and tap Privacy and Security. Tap Location Service. Turn on the location service here. That's it. Let's go to the step 1 now. Open the Google Maps in iPhone or Android phone. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from your phone App Store. Step 2. Tap the current location button. If you are using an Android phone, turn on the location service here. Step 3. Look for the blue dot on the map. It shows where you are right now. Step 4. Use 2 fingers to zoom in or out. Drop the map to explore nearby streets and spaces. Step 5. Improve the location accuracy. Step outside if you are indoors. Tap the blue dot. Then choose Calibrate here. Point the camera at storefronts or sites around you. That's it. Bonus tip. Tap the blue dot to see more information, such as nearby landmarks, shops, restaurants, and coffee shops. Now, you know how to find your location on Google Maps. It's quick, easy, and very useful. If you're not sure about any of the steps, come back and watch this video again anytime. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.